You don't want to see me trying to jump off that, that's for sure.
Actually, I do. I want to see this.
Yeah, maybe it would be good entertainment for a good laugh in the morning. Let's check in this morning. I want to show you once again, we've been getting a good glimpse here of the super flower blood moon in LA. And the reason we're going out to west and along the west coast there is they've got a better glimpse of it as we are pretty much sucked in the clouds. So pretty neat phenomenon this morning. I just wish we would have been able to see it, but lots of clouds around and of course some rain as well. Somewhat of a soggy morning for much in the region right now. Live view right outside our studio looking over Route 13. The roads are wet, so use some caution as you head out for the day. Right now 69 degrees, winds there still out of the west and southwest, and dew points into the upper 60s. So it is a little muggy out there right now here on a Wednesday morning. Showers around mainly through the morning hours. I think this afternoon we may see a pop-up shower storm redevelop during the heat of the day, but a lot of folks likely going to be dry through much of the afternoon hours, and we're dry through Thursday morning as well. However, by Thursday afternoon and especially Thursday evening, a complex of thunderstorms likely to move in from the west and northwest, and those storms are likely to be very, very strong. So something we'll be tracking here as we get a little closer. And then Friday, finally, the cold front sweeps through, gets rid of the rain by Friday afternoon, but we do expect some much cooler weather to move in for the weekend. Right now, most of the rain is on the light side, especially north of Route 13. Here's some of the heavier pockets of rain we've seen mixed in from time to time. And notice there just south of Harrisburg over towards the Mitchellsville area, right along Route 34. We've seen one bolt of lightning, these little heavy downpours mixed in from time to time. One of those just to the east now of Vienna, and a few more back towards the west and southwest. We've also seen a few bolts of lightning there in eastern Cape Girardeau County. That is crossing the Mississippi River and making its way over towards Route 3 near Ware and approaching Anna and Cobden, all seeing some pretty heavy rainfall right now. Everything is pretty much shifting off to the east and northeast. So from Goreville to Marion there along 148 and I-57 and Route 37 also seeing quite a bit of rainfall here to start the day. But there's the cold front still to our north and west. It will drop in this afternoon. And along that front, we could see a pop-up shower, pop-up storm redevelop, very similar to yesterday afternoon in that sense. But most areas probably going to miss out on some of those rain showers this afternoon. Then we look ahead to Thursday morning. Thursday morning, we're still dry. That cold front stalled out right on top of us, and it is going to start to lift back to the north as a warm front as we go throughout the day on Thursday. And timing is a little tricky on this. We could see some showers and storms as early as late afternoon on Thursday, but the bigger risk for severe storms will likely come in Thursday evening and possibly even into the overnight hours as a complex of thunderstorms moves in from the west and northwest. And you'll see some of these storms are going to be very strong. In fact, the Storm Prediction Center upgrading southwest Illinois, much of southeast Missouri now in a level 3 on a scale of 1 to 5, southeastern Illinois and western Kentucky in a level 2. Now, main threats with these storms will be strong straight line winds, but I can't entirely rule out a brief spin up tornado, some small hail, and in addition to the severe weather threat, some very heavy rainfall. If you get caught in one of these stronger storms, we could quickly see more than an inch of rain, and gives you an idea. These are going to be scattered about that yellow color, more than 2 inches, but not everybody's going to see that. But some of those stronger storms likely going to lead to some torrential amounts of rain. 85 out ahead of that cold front tomorrow, and then dropping into the weekend as temperatures, afternoon highs by Saturday, may struggle to get out of the 60s. Of course, track the wet weather this morning, track the severe weather on Thursday with that Storm Track 3 app. Here comes the rain on through Friday morning. Now by Friday afternoon, rain clears out of here. Dry weather for the weekend and cool weather for Memorial Day weekend. Not great pool weather coming up this weekend, but great weather to maybe hit up things like Herrenfesta. Yeah, should be some great weather for that. Monday's Memorial Day high temperature running about 80 and temperatures into the lower 80s next week with more chances for showers and thunderstorms.
I'm planning on getting out and enjoying this weekend. I know Saturday the Herrenfest parade kicks off.
And look, summer lovers, I know you were hoping for 90s, you know, that kind of thing coming up this weekend, but don't worry. There's going to be more of it in our forecast coming up not too far away.
All right. Well, and another sign that the nation